Hello viewers, welcome back to JK Tech Solutions. Today we are going to learn about how to design coaxial cable using ANSYS software. Before that, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Open ANSYS software, then click HFSS, then get into the units option and set the units as mm. Then select 3D cylinder and then draw and change the radius as 2 mm and height as 100 mm. Then apply and OK. Then again draw another cylinder from the center point. Then right click the create cylinder. Then change the radius and height. Then click OK. And then press cylinder 1 and name it as inner conductor. Then change the material as Teflon with relative permittivity 2.1. Then press OK. Then apply and press OK. Then press cylinder 2 and name it as outer conductor. Then choose the material as polyethylene. Then press OK and set the transparency into 1 and apply and OK. Sorry, change the transparency into 0.5. Now you can clearly see both cylinders, that means inner conductor and outer conductor. Go to simulation option, then press validate and check all the tasks are validated and everything was verified by the green tick. Then press analyze all and save the file as coaxial cable and then save it. And some progress are going under down. Please wait for a while. Right click the cylinder to go to port fields, then press E and then select vector E and press done. Now we can see the electric field of the coaxial cable. Go to model simulation data report and press 2D. Press new report. That's all about your video. Thank you for watching us.